Red sand, massive rock formations, and wide open spaces. Looks like Mars on another planet. Hello everyone, I am Tanuja and welcome to my channel, The Travel Monogram, where every place has a story and every story becomes a memory. In this episode, we are experiencing something completely different in Wadi Rum, a traditional train ride through the desert inspired by the historic Hijaz railway. If you have the Jordan Pass, then this ride is completely free. And who doesn't have? To experience this, you need to book your tickets in advance through your camp or tour operator. Most camps here in Wadi Rum arrange it for you, and the ride usually happens in the evening for that perfect golden hour view. A train ride is a cinematic historical journey through the desert. Today, these rides are often heritage experiences designed to recreate scenes from the past. You will ride in old style carriages pulled by a vintage locomotive. The journey passes through dramatic red sand dunes and rock formations. Some tours include a live reenactment of attacks on trains, inspired by desert warfare tactics. You may see actors portraying soldiers, adding a storytelling element to the ride. Please watch and enjoy. The train experience is rooted in the history of the Hijaz railway built during the Ottoman Empire in the early 1900s. The railway connecting Damascus to Medina, helping pilgrims travel to holy cities. During the World War I, it became strategically important. Arab forces supported by T.E. Lawrence targeted the railway to weaken Ottoman control. Attacks often involved blowing up tracks and ambushing trains. The same scenes are recreated today for the visitors. Wadi Rum is one of the most filmed deserts in the world because of its unique otherworldly look, and that is the Mars. Films that are shot here are Lawrence of Arabia, The Martian, Aladdin, Dune, Star Wars, Rogue One, a Star Wars story. These are some of the films that are filmed here. The desert feels silent, but it carries stories that echo through time. What looks simple today was once part of something much bigger. This railway belongs to the legendary Hijaz Railway, built over a century ago to connect distant lands across the desert. During World War I, these attacks became a battlefield. Trains were often stopped in the middle of nowhere, attacked as part of a larger fight for freedom, led by the figures like T.E. Lawrence, as I have mentioned before. And now get ready to witness a live reenactment brought to life by actors right in front of us. The story doesn't just stay in history, it comes alive. Stay till the end to watch the actors performing. It's really cool. From the rhythm of the train to stories coming alive right before our eyes. A perfect blend of history, culture, and adventure. And this is just the beginning. More beautiful experiences are waiting ahead. As the train moves slowly through the red sands, time seems to slow down. The wind, the vast open landscapes, the silence, everything tells a story. And just like that, another unforgettable moment is added to our journey. More stories, more places, more memories are coming your way. So stay tuned. This incredible journey comes to an end. What we experienced here wasn't just beautiful, it's something we'll carry with us forever. From pickup to drop off, everything is handled by the tour operators. So, all we have to do is sit back and enjoy the experience, making the journey completely hassle free. Ever wondered why this is called Mars on Earth? Just look around. Red sand, alien like mountains, and landscapes straight out of another planet, isn't it? మన ఈ ఎర్త్ ప్లానెట్ మీద మార్స్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ కావాలంటే అది ఇక్కడే దొరుకుతుంది వాడిరంలో. చుట్టూ చూస్తే రెడ్ శాండ్, మ్యాసివ్ రాక్ ఫార్మేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా. అసలు మనం ఎర్త్ మీద ఉన్నామో లేక మార్స్ మీద ఉన్నామో అనే డౌట్ వస్తుంది. బబుల్ బయట కూర్చొని ప్రకృతిని అనుభవించడం ఒక అద్భుతమైన అనుభవంలా ఉంది. మట్టి మీద కూర్చొని చల్లని గాలి ముక్కు మీద తాకుతుంటే మనసంతా ప్రశాంతంగా అయిపోతుంది. ఆలోచనలన్నీ తగ్గిపోతుంది. చుట్టూ ఉన్న మౌనం కూడా ఒక మధురమైన సంగీతంలా అనిపిస్తుంది. పర్వతాలు, ఆకాశం చూస్తుంటే సమయం ఎలా గడిచిందో తెలియదు. రాత్రయ్యాక నక్షత్రాల కింద కూర్చొని ఉంటే మనం ఈ విశ్వంలో ఒక చిన్న భాగమని అనిపిస్తుంది. ఈ జీవితంలో మర్చిపోలేని జ్ఞాపకం. ఈ రోజుకి ఇంతే. స్టే విత్ us ఆన్ దిస్ జర్నీ. సీ యూ ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్. బాయ్.